In this video, I'll show you how to install Map Builder and Map Editor in GTA 5 to load custom maps like Villa J-Way easily in 2026. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the script to V and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop all these files inside a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then open bin. Drag and drop all these files inside a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back, open script to p.net, and drop all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back, open Redux, open Map Builder, open this OIV, open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed it for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager and make sure all three installed. In close, select the edit mode and select yes option. Then drop this OIV, select install option and select mods folder. If it doesn't have mods folder created for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install mods for GTA 5. Once installed done, select the mods and select confirm installation. Once installed done, close stuff here and go back, open map editor and then minimize the OpenIV. Navigate to game folder and open scripts. If it doesn't have scripts folder created for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to create scripts folder in GTA 5. Once created, open the scripts and drop all these files inside the scripts folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open this pack file limit adjuster. Go back to GTA 5, drag and drop these two files inside the game folder and then go back, open heap adjuster, and of these two files inside a game folder. Go back, open unlock all objects and open v1.1 and drop this ASI inside of a game folder. Go back, open this villa, open the scripts in a game folder and drop this XML file inside the scripts. Open OpenIV, open mods, update x64 TLC packs, custom maps, TLC, x64, levels, GTA 5, city, maps, custom maps, and drag and drop these Y map files inside. Once you're done, close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to maps. You can able to see villa in this location, in this standing point. Once you are in this location, the entrance of the villa is here, as you can see, 007 automatic door. Now you can park the car in your garage. And once you are in this villa, you can save the character to spawn every time here. Press up arrow two times and quick save, press enter, press enter, press enter again to save it. Whenever you close and exit the game, next time you spawn in that place right there. That's how you can install this villa. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.